In primetime news this evening, Chief Justice to rule on Ruel Reid and Professor Fritz Pinnock challenge next week. Violence prevention programs come under review, and major celebrations planned to welcome Miss World Tony Ann Singh. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Andrea Chisholm has our preview.
Well, Janella, from time to time, businesses are at war, but differences can be settled without going to court. How? I'll tell you about a dispute resolution deal that was signed today, later in the business day.
All right, thank you, Andrea. From Andrea, we go to Jermaine Brown, who will tell us what's coming up in sports. Jermaine?
Well, thank you, Herman. And speaking of disputes, it seems as if the JFF's dispute with the Reggae Girls coaches is not yet resolved. We'll have more on that when we come back.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: how do you think we should celebrate Miss World Tony Ann Singh's return to Jamaica?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.